One sunny morning, Hasan and Maria arrived at the old Islamic library. They stepped inside and saw rows of ancient Islamic books waiting to be organized. Hasan used an old key to unlock a forgotten room filled with hidden treasures. Maria gently cleaned a beautiful Quran, making it shine like new. They planned together how to clean and organize every book. They began cleaning the shelves and shaking off years of dust. They started arranging the cleaned books neatly on the shelves. Maria discovered a beautiful Quran, shining with golden edges. They grouped the books by color and topic to keep everything neat. They found an ancient manuscript with beautiful Arabic writing. When the call to prayer echoed, they paused to pray. After praying, they felt refreshed and went back to work joyfully. Maria found an old map showing the journeys of knowledge. They labeled the shelves so everyone could find books easily. Soon, other children arrived to help with the library. Everyone joined hands and worked together joyfully. They laughed and cheered as the library became clean and bright. Maria decorated the walls with beautiful calligraphy that said Iqra. Hasan set up a cozy corner where everyone could read comfortably. An elderly imam arrived and blessed the children for their hard work. They all prayed together, thanking Allah for knowledge and unity. The library was now bright, clean, and beautifully organized. Maria read stories aloud while everyone listened quietly. Hasan felt proud seeing Maria share knowledge with others. Soon, everyone was reading and learning joyfully together. The imam blessed Hasan and Maria for their kindness and effort. That night, the library shone with light and peace. They dreamed of spreading knowledge and helping even more people. The next day, people from the town came to see the beautiful library. Hasan and Maria felt happy. Their dream of sharing knowledge had come true.